Good day everyone, welcome to Video Tutorials. Today I'll show you how to create a soft lighting effect. So now let's select the Measure 1 tool by pressing W. Okay, then click on the white background of this image. Shift click to add to selection, shift click to add to selection. Now press Ctrl Alternate plus to zoom in. Okay, so we will cut out from the selection this part. So press the lasso tool, click and hold and select polygonal lasso tool. Now press alternate to remove from current selection, then click, drag, click, drag, click, drag, click, click, double click to close the selection. Alternate click, 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 double click to close selection. Now press Q to go into quick mask mode, then press B to select brush tool. Okay, let's use a small soft brush. Double click. Okay. Actually, let's not use brush, let's use smudge tool. Press R. Okay, this is the smudge tool here. Then click and drag, click and drag, click and drag a bit on the edges that you just edge of the selection that you just made using polygonal lasso tool, so the edges won't look so straight. So you click and drag on the edges so they won't look so straight. Okay. Then press Q to go back to standard mode. Press Shift Ctrl I to invert current selection. Press Ctrl Alternate minus to zoom out. Now select File, New. Select Width 640, Height 480. Then click OK. Click on the foreground color. Let's select color red 50, green 60, blue 70, and click OK. Now press alternate backspace to fill current layer with current foreground color. Let's select CD radio again. Press V to select move to, then click and drag the selection. And click and drag, move it to the click and drag the selection to the center, near the right center position. Now we click on the background layer again, click on new layer button, then select lasso tool, press shift L, keep pressing shift L until you see the lasso tool, then press D and then press X to switch the current foreground color. Now current foreground color is white. Now click and drag a rough selection around the image. Okay, shift, click and drag, shift, click and drag. Okay, so I got a rough selection around the image. Now press alternate backspace to fill current layer with the current foreground color, then current selection, current foreground color. Then press Ctrl D to drop selection. Now select filter, blur, constant blur. I think we use radius of 40 and click OK. So you can see a soft lighting effect here. Let's reduce the opacity because the effect is a bit too intense. Let's reduce the opacity to 70. Okay, so you have a bit of soft lighting effect. To complete this effect, click on the create new layer button again. Now press B to select the brush tool. Let's select a soft medium sized brush. Okay, double click on it. Okay, then now we just trace along the bottom here. Oh yeah, press D first press D to select default foreground color of black, then click at the bottom there. Okay, this will form the shadow for the object. Then you reduce opacity here so the shadow won't be so obvious. Let's say we reduce it to 40. Okay, so there's just a light shadow area there, and there you have it. There you have the soft lighting effect. Okay, thank you for listening.